Old Man Cuako, the Jamaican Duppy Bird. In the deep hills of Jamaica, bush country that can only be navigated by a skilled countryman. Many stories have risen about the Jamaican Duppy Bird, called to Old Man Cuako. The word Cuako is a play on the word cuckoo, which is the class this specific type of bird belongs to. To Old Man Cuako is just like any other bird on any given day. Unless you spot one in or around a cemetery, that's when they are dangerous. It is believed that if you see an Old Man Cuako in or around a cemetery, don't trouble it. This is a warning to all bird shooters, because even though it might appear as a little bird, there is something sinister hiding behind those black eyes. If you know anything about the spiritual realm, you know that duppies, otherwise called ghosts and demons, are prone to possess animals such as lizards and especially birds.
Follow Jamaican True stories.
So people, especially children, are always warned not to use their slingshots to shoot birds when they are flying past. Two little boys were out playing one day when they spotted a bird going about its business. One of the little boys took out his slingshot and shot a stone at the bird. It grazed the bird. That night, as the granny of the little boy slept, a duppy approached her in her dreams, warning her about her grandson shooting a slingshot at her. The duppy told the granny that her grandson was lucky it never catch her, and he was lucky she was going to church, or else him woulda get box stung. A duppy's box, depending on the strength, can kill you, so let this be a reminder. The next time you see Old Man Cuako or his wife, leave them be.
Check out the playlist for more.